WEISS North America recently completed a high-precision, custom-engineered advanced motion platform tailored to support high-speed, reliable manufacturing processes in a critical Class 8 cleanroom medical environment. The platform integrates two LS-Link precision link conveyor systems and a 4-station, fully programmable NC150 rotary indexer and chassis. Each LS-Link system features horizontal operating orientation, guidance at drive and deflection point, powder-coated ST-style welded base frames, clear anodized base mounting plates, Electroless nickel-plated static tooling plates, integrated communication module for seamless PLC integration, pre-configured servo controller parameters, and factory commissioning for turnkey deployment. The NC150 rotary platform features clockwise, counterclockwise, and reciprocating motion, an index time of 0.510 seconds with a process time of 1.49 seconds, powder-coated ST-style welded base frame, base mounting plate, precision rotational dial plate, static tooling plate. This successful collaboration demonstrates WEISS North America's commitment to delivering tailored advanced motion platforms that lower the total cost of final integration, reduce lead times and complexity, and provide reliable, single-source solutions that meet the unique production and performance demands of our customers. To learn more about WEISS, please visit weiss-world.com or call one of our automation pros today at 888-934-7762.